And new tonight, a bold push to lock down lives before it's too late.
Yeah, as firearm-related suicides and mental health crisis calls skyrocket, a new effort now launching to flood Utah homes with hundreds of high-security gun safes. Jim Spiewak joining us live. And Jim, you find out this program could start up any day now.
Yeah, that's right, Mark. So these mobile crisis teams usually come out to residential areas after someone has reached out for help through 988. These are some of the most severe crisis calls that first responders respond to, because Utah is consistently at or above the national average when it comes to firearm deaths. So this multi-agency effort, which is backed by federal funding, will give these mobile crisis teams gun safes to start handing out in some of the most stressful calls they will respond to.
I want to see our suicide rates in Utah decrease.
There's a new aim to silence the statistics, one lock safe at a time.
Those safes, I think, are going to be amazing because I personally use safes in my home to keep my children safe.
Over the last 10 years, 84% of all firearm deaths in Utah were suicides, which is why mobile crisis teams that intervene stemming from a call to the suicide hotline will offer one of 600 free gun safes. Brook Anderson is the program manager with the Utah Public Health Association, overseeing the pilot program.
The mobile crisis unit will do a follow-up call within about a week, and that follow-up call will ask specific questions. Did you utilize the safe? Did it work? Did it make you feel safer?
From July of 2021 to July of 2022, the most recently available data, mobile crisis teams were called 376 times in Salt Lake County, and of those calls, 119 guns were found to be secured in some way, and 33 guns were not secured at all in the home.
If they have a space where they can store those so they're not easily accessible, it absolutely can save somebody's life.
To critics of the effort, Anderson says this has nothing to do with taking away your guns.
We can't take your gun, right? I mean, there's laws in place. We can't do that. But we do want to push safety.
Now, these safes are in the final stages of being purchased right now, with the expectation that they'll start handing them out during these crisis calls at some point next month. Now, a portion of them will be set aside for hospital ERs to give to patients that come into the ER for a crisis call, to give them as they are discharged. We're reporting live in Salt Lake tonight. Jim Spiewak, KUTV 2 News.
Jim, thank you. According to the Gun Violence Prevention Center of Utah, firearms, the leading cause of death among Utah children and teens. Gun deaths in our state rose 38% between 2009 and 2023. In 2023, 493 Utahns were shot and killed. And that means that on average, one Utahn is killed with a gun every 18 hours.